21 clear takeoff.
21 clear for takeoff, Aviator 16.
That's us, guys. It's our time to shine. Go. Aloha, aviators.
Aloha, guys. This is Pua
And Jules.
coming to you from the practice area. We made it. Today's Tip Tuesday is dealing with radio calls in the practice area. I know it's something that a lot of people are uncomfortable with if you're not used to it, but they're important.
They're very important. You know, we need to make those position reports so then, one, we know where we're at. It's good situational awareness. And two, other aircraft know where we're at as well.
Yeah, so I usually start my radio calls as I enter the practice area, kind of announcing my presence here.
I'm here. I've arrived.
No. But we usually format these calls as we say northeast practice if we're in the northeast practice area, who we are. So today we're Aviator 16, the altitude, so 5,500, and what we plan to do, or the area that we plan to operate in, and then conclude it with northeast practice area.
Yeah, so right now, where are we located, Pua?
I would say that we are the northwest corner of the street pattern.
Perfect. Northwest corner of the street pattern.
If you guys aren't familiar with all the reporting points in the practice area, AFTW makes an excellent overlay for your ForeFlight. You can download it, it's for free, and it'll point out where all those points are that people are familiar with in the practice area.
Exactly, or you could just ask your instructor.
Always an option, but again, when you're out here with your instructor will primarily be making these calls for you, but if you're out here soloing, practicing maneuvers, or transiting the area on the way to a cross country, or just experience building, you want to make sure that you make a few calls while you're in the area.
Very good. All right, do you want to make a call?
Yeah, let's do it.
Northeast practice, Aviator 16, northwest corner of the street pattern, 5,500, headed towards Bartlett. Northeast practice.
Beautiful call.
Mooney 9263 Mike.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Bye, you guys.